Hey, it's so very hot. Can we go to a cool spot? A dip in the pond sounds fun to me. Or we can sit under the shade of a tree.
Oh, sure, Bunny. A dip in the pond is just great.
Look, there are ducks in the pond.
Bunny, can you count how many ducks are there in the pond?
There are 1, 2, and 3 ducks. There are 3 ducks in the pond.
Around and around, just like a bee. That's the way to make a 3. T-H-R-E-E.